Morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, I hope everybody had a good and safe weekend and a good Father's Day. As far as the overnight prices, corn, beans about unchanged, while wheat is down a couple of cents. Outside markets are lower. I think on Friday there was concern in the outside financial markets that talk of closing stores down as the virus comes back and cases increase here in the U.S. offered resistance to the marketplace. Fed Chairman comments continue to weigh on the market as thinking that this recovery will be slower and take longer, but he does have the tools supposedly to support the economy. We had good rains in the western part of the Midwest over the weekend. These rains are moving east today. I think that the 6 to 10 day calls for normal rains and maybe normal, maybe a little bit above normal temps. The one interesting thing is the 11 to 14 day map shows ridging in the Midwest, and so especially in the western Midwest. So the key as far as prices are concerned is whether or not this ridge hangs around for a couple weeks or whether it moves back out. I think the bears will say that this is a dirty ridge and will move in and out and give us a mixture of both showers and warm temperatures, which is good for the crops. Our weather guy still thinks that the month of July will be warmer and drier than normal, especially in the western Midwest, and that could support prices and even move them higher. Technically speaking, we've had a nice 4-week rally in the beans led by China buying, and the funds are small longs, but they still are big shorts in the meal. As far as the corn market is concerned, the funds did cover some shorts last week. There's still big shorts in the marketplace. And we've had a nice little steady rally here, testing probably key resistance, moving over some of the nearby moving averages. Corn market fundamentals are still bearish unless there's weather. Wheat continues to trade lower. Probably one of the best trades that we've seen in the last couple of weeks is being long corn, short wheat. The wheat market is seeing harvest pressure. We expect winter wheat harvest to be about 32% done versus 30 average. And the weather should be conducive for further harvest activity. In the Black Sea, there is debate, and in Europe, how small their crops are, and continue to see firm prices there as their old crop supply continues to be tight until harvest. So all in all, I think the markets are kind of still stuck in this trading range for corn and soybeans and wheat's trying to find a bottom. And I think the weather is the most important thing. On June 30th, we get an acreage and stocks report. And so stocks for corn and beans should be below last year, while wheat will be probably the same as last year. We're also looking at acres. We expect more soybean acres and less corn acres, which I doubt is going to be any surprise to the marketplace. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day, and let's try to treat everyone like we would like to be treated ourselves.